In today's video, we go deep into the rawest zones of industrial demolition. From stump crushers and log splitters to car shredders and safety test drops. You'll witness insane torque, brutal steel bites, and precision that'll leave your jaw hanging. It once zipped through city streets, dodged potholes like a champ. But today, the Hyundai Accent meets its brutal finale. Flattened under raw industrial force, glass explodes, metal crumples, and in seconds, it's nothing but twisted history. Was its solid performance enough to save it? The Powerhand VRS doesn't just dismantle, it performs surgery. One arm grab, one twist, and the car's stripped clean. No sparks, no fuss, just raw precision. This is the future of scrapyards. Fast, brutal, efficient, and oddly satisfying to watch. They dropped brand new Volvos from 30 meters to simulate worst-case rescue crashes. Metal twisted, glass exploded, but the safety cage held firm. If a car can survive that, it's not just engineering, it's a promise. The crusher's jaws tear through steel like it's paper, disassembling vehicles with ruthless precision. Feel the power as metal screams and contorts, leaving nothing but shredded remains. This is pure mechanical force in action. Didn't expect it to be this smooth? Just feed the cable in, and the knit cable X slices through the insulation like butter. No tugging, no mess. What's left? Pure, gleaming copper, ready for cash-in. Even first-timers could strip like pros. This machine doesn't just work, it earns. Now that's what real torque looks like. The Cat 308E grabs that stump and twists like it's cracking open a soda can. No smoke, no sparks, just clean, brutal force driving straight through hardwood. It's not flashy, it's not loud, it's precision demolition done right. The Cat 315D lines it up smooth, and the HD9 chews it like clockwork. No sudden hits, no overload, just pure, calculated grinding. Every log drops in clean, reducing wear and cutting downtime. That's how you turn raw roots into gold-grade mulch, stress-free. Watching how fast accidents unfold around wood chippers reminds us, every finger, every toe matters. One slip is all it takes. Respect the machine, prioritize safety, and work smart every time. Get ready to see this beast crush everything in its path. Nothing stands a chance against its power. What do you think it could tear apart next? Share your wildest thoughts below. The MB Crusher BF70 hits the sweet spot. Wide jaw, tight frame. It grabs chunks of concrete like candy and chews them down with zero hesitation. Designed for 30K to 44K pound excavators, it's compact but fierce. Perfect for tight spaces where you still want beast results. Smooth, clean, powerful. That's how you crush smart. That's 90 horsepower turning oak logs into gold. The Petzolato PTH 300XL doesn't just chip, it devours. My nephew runs it non-stop and claims 10 tons a day, easy. Less downtime, more fuel savings, and clean cuts. When you see it in action, you'll know it's built different. The Bronneberg SP350 is built for the toughest jobs. This beast devours large steel in seconds with its sharp guillotine cut. Cranes and conveyors feed it, and its waterproof hydraulics are relentless. With 40 years of Dutch engineering, it's built for rapid cycles and high profits. Stop wasting space and fuel on loose scrap. The Y81BOR packs steel, copper, and mixed metal into dense, stackable blocks. Just one operator runs it with a simple PLC setup. Clean, fast, and powerful. This machine turns chaos into order and saves big on every single shipment. This shredder doesn't just destroy, it erases. Thick stacks? No problem. One bite and your secrets are dust. Precision, power, silence. 6 paint buckets, 1 hungry shredder. Metal crunches like paper, satisfying, ruthless, unstoppable. Who's next? Type 1 if this video made your jaw drop. Your energy is the fuel that powers everything we build. Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire. That crunch you hear? It's an old tricycle meeting the shredder. Pure ASMR. Steel bends, paint cracks. Recycling has never sounded this good. Recycling an old engine? Not easy, unless you've got the Power Hand ERS grapple. It crushes solid blocks like they're soda cans. Then comes the magnet, sweeping up metal bits like magic. Fast, brutal, efficient. This isn't just cleanup, it's surgical demolition on steroids. The Power Hand GH grapple doesn't flinch. Designed for non-stop timber handling, it grabs logs like a pro, up to 1.0 cubic yard per bite. Built for sawmills that don't take breaks, this beast turns heavy, lifting into smooth flow. If you haul logs, this is your secret weapon. Forest companies are done wasting money. Clean logs mean smoother chipping, longer machine life, and top-tier chip quality. This debarking and chipping line strips bark fast and clean. Every inch of wood gets used. More product, less waste, and lower costs. That's how you scale in the timber game. Boom! Say goodbye to slow, inefficient chipping. The Bandit, 2590, devours whole trees in seconds with unmatched power and precision. This old bicycle once cruised down village roads. Now it meets its final chapter. As it drops into the shredder, steel jaws show no mercy. Brutal, precise, oddly satisfying to watch metal memories get torn apart in seconds. This is what raw destruction looks like. Steel gates and car doors don't stand a chance. The industrial shredder rips through them like they're made of paper. If this doesn't impress you, nothing will. Watch till the end video. Mountains of scrap? Not a problem. This gate-cutting beast flattens metal like paper. Pure hydraulic muscle in every slam. Watch those bowling balls and pins meet their match. This isn't a trick shot, it's total destruction. One twist, one bite, and they're gone. Satisfying? Absolutely. Drop a like if you felt the crunch. Type 1 if you're hooked. 0 if you dare say it's boring. This tire's got no chance. Watch as the industrial shredder turns rubber into ribbons. Quick, clean, and oddly satisfying. A tangled mess of electrical cables goes in, and the Lion Shredder Evo doesn't even flinch. With each rotation, copper veins snap like twigs. Clean cuts, pure power. Recycling starts with this kind of ruthless precision. Totally get why those guys hate stumps. They're a real hassle. This Comptech Crambo with pre-cleaning makes the job way smoother. No more dirty stumps jamming the system, saving tons of time and reducing wear. Pure genius design. For professional loggers, felling a tree is not only an easy task, but also a cherished one. Removing old growth to plant new saplings that will rejuvenate barren forests is both a necessary and rewarding duty. The Bandit 280 HD devours logs like a beast. Its steel drum shreds 19 inches trunks in seconds, spitting out perfect chips with unstoppable force.